These lights are bright. I'm hoping they're okay. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. Whoa. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are testing. Now I have started filming this the other day, but then I just wasn't in the mood for filming, so I stopped. But there will be some clips that I'll overlap because I did do the swatches and I showed you the collection already. But we are filming Gary Thompson's collection with Revolution. He is known as Plastic Boy on like Instagram and stuff. Absolutely love this collection. Like the aesthetic of it is just like clearly everything I love in a collection. I love the rich tones, I love the golds, I just love it all. And the palette is gorgeous. I will show you the swatches in a second, but you've got like 2 rows of mattes and a whole row here of shimmers, and they are absolutely stunning. We're gonna skip to the clip about the swatches. Okay, so I have swatched all the mattes on the back of my hand there, and they are all beautiful mattes. None of them are patchy. They've all glided onto my hand nicely. And then right here, look at those swatches. I'm sorry, but just look. Why am I needed to do it a bit more higher. But they're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. Like, you've got the inner corner, you've got golds, you've got reddy tones, brownie tones. They are absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to get some of this onto my eyeballs, and that's what we're gonna do. Then we have a highlight. Now this for me might be a shimmery bronzer. This is definitely not going to be a highlight on me. I just had to get it to support him because I'm sorry, but this is one of the best collabs that I have seen. Like, I loved Roxy's collab. It was very girly, very on with the trends that's happening at the moment. But I feel like this is a very me collection. And then we have 2 lip kits, which I'm going to test for you. I'm probably going to do a little TikTok on them as well. But I'm very excited for these because I will not show you until we get to that part. But let's just say this is how you do a lip kit, okay? Let's throw some base on me eyes and we're gonna start this video. Okay, let's dive into the palette. The palette is a Forever Flawless palette. Does retail for £12, I believe. Sorry, my legs aren't comfortable. I love it because you've got every neutral you could ever want, and I can't stop going on about it. And there's a black in there. You know how much I love black eyeshadow. So we are going to start off with, I don't know, there's so many good shades in here. Now, I don't know what some of these words mean because as much as I love him, don't keep up with words that people say. Anywho, let's go up in with WEITW. Oh, it's very dusty, but when is a Revolution palette not dusty? They are just very pigmented. As you can see. So I actually bought this palette maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. It launched on Revolution and then they took it off the website, so I'm so happy that I got it because I can get my review up for you like ASAP. So I thought, let me just like hide it in my drawers until it is launched, and I'm gonna edit this video so as soon as it's launched I have it up for you guys, because this is not a collection you want to miss, and I hope this collection sells out because it is bloody amazing. Next shade we're gonna go in with, I'm thinking a bit of Baddie. I love that there's like a orange tone neutral as well. Just gonna take this a little bit below. My windows are open because I need air, and if you hear builders, I'm sorry, but for some reason, actually I know the reason, they're doing a lot of building works around in the buildings near me because of Grenfell and getting rid of all the cladding. Like, it's taken them this long to get on with it, but I know a lot of buildings are getting that done at the moment. Mine isn't. They feel like for my building we just need a fire alarm that goes off along with all the other fire alarms. I have not received, none of us have received a letter about when ours will get taken down, which is annoying. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, next one I should take is, this shade's been calling out to me. It's called Rock. It's like a reddy tone brown. I love my reddy tone browns. I'm just going to keep it on the outer corner and like halfway in. Like there, just to deepen that up. Like, I'm sorry, but Luce and Alex will absolutely love this. Well, I'm not sorry. Oh, I've gone all the way in on that side. I'm gonna have to go all the way in here. I got too happy with me brush. You know we have to go in with the black, which is called Pearl. And oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. I'm gonna use a tiny little brush to like dab it on the outer corner and then I'll blend it out. But this looks so nice. I am so happy with it. And let's blend it out. Now for a base, a lid colour. Let's use, I feel like we've got to go in with the Moment. Oh, that is so nice. The quality of these shadows are so good. Like, I know usually with the collabs, the quality of the shadows are so nice anyway, because, I'm sorry, but what influencer is going to want to do a palette and it's crap? I feel like I haven't actually used an influencer palette that isn't that great. Or have I? No, I don't think I have, you know. I need to add a bit more black. It's gone a little bit patchy from my blending. This is like a perfect me kind of palette. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's just blend, blend, blend. We are going to come back either when I feel like we can use his highlighter or on the lips. I feel like that highlight is going to be too dark for me. It might not work as a shimmery bronzer. If that's the case, I'm going to use it as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. But yeah, let me finish off the rest of my makeup and come back. But so far, so good. Went and done some base makeup. I'm actually wearing the new Fenty palette on my face, and watch out for a TikTok on that. Let's just say I love. So it's so amazing. My friends bought me that for my birthday and I'm so grateful for that palette. This is gonna be like my everyday palette. I just have to show you the inside because it's so gorgeous. Just look at that. Anywho, go on to something else that I really enjoy, which is Plastic Boy, and we are going to put his highlight on my inner corner and brow bone because it's definitely just not going to suit me anywhere else, which is fine. I bought it to support him, not just to use. If that makes sense. Oh, that is so nice. Not as bright for, oh yeah, actually it's fine. It is perfectly bright enough for an inner corner, brow bone and highlight. I'm sorry, but if you're a deeper skin tone, I'm not sorry, you're definitely gonna love this. It's so smooth. It's amazing. That was actually the Fenty swatches there as well. Anywho, moving on, let's try a lip kit. Now, he has two. He has hazelnut macchiato and he has almond macchiato. Now, you know me, I am going to do an ombre lip. Now, do you want to know why these are the perfect lip kits? You get a lipstick, you get a liner, you get a gloss. That is the perfect lip kit ever. And the only other brand that has done that is Morphe, I feel like. Everywhere else does like a lip liner, a lip gloss, or a lip liner, lipstick, or liquid lipstick and a lip gloss, but they never do all three. And oh my god, I have not opened these. Look at the packaging. Just look at that. I'm going to do a TikTok on these, don't worry. But we're going to do like an ombre lip. So we're going to use the darker liner with the lighter lipstick and the lighter gloss. But let's do some swatches. I'm going to get all of this out and swatch it for you. These are the best lip kits ever. So we've got the darker one, which was caramel macchiato, and then we've got almond macchiato down here. The liners are a little bit scratchy, but maybe with a little bit of warmth they'll warm up. But even like this lip kit, I thought they were all going to be the same shade. The liner is a little bit darker than the lipstick and the gloss, so it's a perfect lip kit. I feel like I do want to actually, I feel like I want to try a lip kit on its own, or, you know, let's do a mixed one, and then I will do swatches as well of them, the lip kits together. So you're going to get 3 swatches out of me in the next couple of minutes. So let me try the first one, and I'll come back with it on. Just wanted to say, as scratchy as it was on my hand, I just quickly sharpened it and it's super soft. Like, let me try. Let me see if you can see this. Sorry, my mirror's over here. This is a weird angle to do it at, but not scratchy whatsoever. I feel like this is a perfect colour. Anyway, I'm just going to do the ombre look first, and then we'll get into like lip kits on their own. This is the second time that this has happened to me, but there's no stopper. I literally just pulled it out. This is the almond one, and can't find the stopper anywhere, which is really annoying. Like, this is the second time now. I'm gonna like, this is the caramel lip liner, the almond lipstick, and I was gonna put the almond gloss on, but I'm gonna just take a lip brush. By the way, these glosses smell like chocolate. They're divine. I feel like this is going to be a perfect nude for a lot of skin tones, and I just have to show you something about the packaging. So this is the lipstick here. It's magnetic. Oh my god, so luxurious feeling. So this is the ombre lip that I have been dying, that's a bit of my hair in there, dying to use. It is pouring outside, so I'm sorry about that if that annoys you. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup so we can see this look with the ombre look, take some photos, then we're going to do the lighter one and the darker one on its own, but I love them. So this is all my makeup done. This is the lip kit as an ombre. I love it, absolutely love it. It is so nice. I can still smell the chocolate, so if you're not a fan of chocolate or the scent, then you're probably not going to like these lip kits, but let's be real, who is not a fan of chocolate? Everyone. I feel like you barely find someone who doesn't like chocolate, but the smell lingers forever, and I love it because it's like so good, and it's just starting to remind me of autumn now. So this is so nice, this lip kit. Everything's soft, and it gives you that natural, you know, everyone likes that no makeup days. You're probably gonna love this lip kit, well, if you ombre the lip kits. So now let's try and use the almond one on its own, so the lighter one, and then we'll use the caramel one on its own. This is the almond macchiato lip kit. I love it. I would never really go for this kind of shade, but I feel like it actually suits me. It suits me better with the darker lip liner, but it's so nice. And the stopper found its way back in to my, oh no, I've lost it again. I think it's on the lid. It did find its way in. Yep, look, it's back again. It's back. So I think it just keeps getting stuck in the lid, which when I did my review for Roxy, it happened with her gloss as well. She just says that the stopper probably is in there, or in the comments she said it was either in the lid or there. It actually is true. It was in there somewhere. But this is this lip kit and I absolutely love it. I have got a TikTok that I'm doing on all of these as well. Just in case you want to see it, please head on over to my TikTok. But I love it. I just love everything. It's so nice. You've got the gold right in there with his name, Plastic Boy, X Revolution. Love it. This is the last lip kit. This is the darker one. This is Caramel Macchiato. I love this. This is my favourite. So I Heart Revolution put up like a reel on their Instagram the other day of like the perfect autumnal brown combo, and I feel like this is it. This is amazing. The lip liner is a little bit darker, and then the lipstick is a little bit like cool tones, and I feel like the lipsticks are matte. And then what I did is I pull it on, put the gloss on, then put some more lipstick on top of the gloss, and oh my god, I love it. I feel like this one and then the ombre is my favourite, and then like the almond one on its own is like last favourite. Like I won't reach for that too much, but I'll definitely reach for this one and then like the ombre combo. But I absolutely love it. I've got nothing to say. These are the perfect lip kits. The fact that you get a lipstick, a liner and a gloss, amazing. And yeah, the stopper comes in and out of one of these, but it's not the end of the... See, look, the stopper's working. Not the end of the day, the end of the world. The highlight This is going to be perfect for skin tones darker than me, definitely. It's going to look lovely, and I love that it's a bronze shade, so even that, I could use it as an eyeshadow too, so definitely love this. I can't remember how much things were because I bought it, then they took it off the website, and I also used my friend's Luce's code, so use Luce, which is LUCE 20, and you get 20% off. And then the palette, oh my god, this palette is to die for. I love it. I feel like this would be my everyday palette, because now that it's getting to winter, I'm looking for palettes to wear to work, because usually I don't do makeup, but in winter I love, and autumn I love doing makeup just because it's not going to sweat off your face. So yeah, I highly recommend this whole collection. There's nothing I didn't like. So I hope you did love this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.